Hello, today I will show you how to model, complete modeling and assigning of loads, assigning of supports, hinges, modeling of members, modeling of surface in RFEM. You can see this model has no error, there's no error. So I'm going to show you how to model this is a hanger with a mezzanine. So let me just cancel. No, let's go straight to modeling. Calculation stopped. Okay. So I want to open a new model. So I'll name it sample model. Yeah, for tutorial. So it's timber. I want the Z position of Z axis to face downward so that I will not have to change the direction of gravity loads. Then 3D, then okay. So I can change then I will add a new single member. I will create cross section. Member type is beam. I want to model my first column, rectangular timber. The size should be 8 by 8. Alaska sender. You can just change the material here in the library. So I will use Alaska sender. And okay. Then okay. Then I'll go up by negative. Z should be negative 20 foot and apply. Again, or just right click to end and then right click again. I'm right clicking the mouse, select and then edit. I want copy by X by 50 foot. Number of copies 1. Then I will model my truss. Go to tools, generate or model member. I'll model a 2D truss. this type of truss. And then the length is 50 foot. Number of bays change to 6. Total height I'll change here to 7. Then outer node there. So you can edit here the materials. So I can just change the material to the cross section. I can just change the cross section. So the aperture should be beam is okay. So I'll change just the cross section to change the cross section to let's say 6 by 10. Okay. Okay. Again, change the cross section. Select 6 by 10. 8 by 8 for the that is the diagonals and verticals, and then pick the second point. Okay. Now I can change the dimensions of my. I'll just let them be like that. Then I'll select everything. Let me first add supports. I'll go to new node support, new type. So this support condition is okay. That is X, Y, and Z, and restraint in Z. It's this type of support, hinged. That is the type of support I want. Then just there. And there. Now I can just right click this one, right click, and then reverse member orientation. I want to start from down, from support. You can see the direction. If I show you the wireframe, I want to change the direction to start from support. So reverse member orientation. I want it to face to be like that. Again, I will add hinges at this point. Right click. Then just double click. I want to go to member hinge. So my member hinge should be at the end. So I can just create a new hinge. This is the type of hinge I want in the Y and Z direction, and then just okay. So now I want it to be at the end so that there will be release at that point, moment release. Then okay. So you can see the hinge. Okay, now we'll do the same thing here. Right click. And then I remember. Let me just click, double click. Then now at the start, and then I will click this one, right click, and then divide member. I will divide member by distance. Okay, I'll divide by 10 foot, that is 50%. Okay, I want to copy this node, edit, um, mm, move. I want it to move by X in that is 10 foot, and then let me change. I want to generate member. Edit our expanded setting, then create new line between selected node, create member, um, this member, then okay. So if I show you the other view, you can see we have a generated new member. Then again, the same node. I want to move node, edit, again move or copy. I will now move this time by -10 in the Z direction. So it should be, I forgot we changed the orientation of the Z. So I will just select again and edit, move. It should be now -Z because Z is facing downward and then not upward. All right, now I will just select, maybe I can add a hinge at this point. So right click, I'll add a hinge, edit. Then this one, this time I'll add another hinge at X. That means that this truss, maybe this truss, let me show you. This at the end, not at the beginning. This truss cannot transfer vertical load at these points because of that type of hinge. So this one I can also edit hinge. Let me edit hinge. I will just need to create new hinge. So this one is changing all hinges. Then this one is now beginning and start. Now this one, for this I'll create new hinge. We'll create new hinge. Hinge number 2, then hinge at that point. Select none. Let me see. So it should be in the other direction. This type of hinge, and then here none. Okay. If I like double click this one, confirm the hinge as well. Okay, then let me show you the D. Now I want to copy. I want to copy y direction -10, z direction 0. Number of copies should be 5. Okay, again this time I will delete these beams. Remember, I will also delete these lines. That is these lines, yeah. Just delete using your keyboard. Then you can change that one by clicking there. And copy this one, edit, copy or move. Now this time I will just change extra settings, then uncheck here, create new line between loads. Then this time it's moved by x by 10, that is -10, 0. Alright, then okay. I want just to delete because there are two members. Delete selection. Right, so then delete the line. Again I will copy this time by 10, and then number of copies just 1. Okay, I will again copy these two, copy selection by 5. That is my staircase position. Just delete and delete also that line. Now we will add a new load. I will add self weight. Okay, add again. Let's add loadings. I will add live load, add, so this one should edit. Type is live load, category is live load. Again, this time I'll add live load. Now this time roof live load. So this one I can just edit to be roof live load. Again, I will add another type of load. This time, wind load. Again, let me just we'll continue with these load cases. Can just go to action, combination. So just okay. Can check the model for any errors. Confirm that our model has no errors. Right. So mesh number. Yes, I will remove the hinge at that particular point. Just check, confirm. Okay, the model has no errors. And just calculate. I want to delete FE mesh results. Okay, so now this time I can model my slab. So I will just go here, new rectangular surface. I can choose polygon. Now I will change material, import new, create new material. Now this time, I'll select metal steel, America, just like that. Change the thickness to 1 inch. Okay. Okay, I'm making a mistake. So I'll go this way to the end, back there, that point, that point. I was making a mistake. Right click, then um, I can right click properties. I will double click support all, add eccentricity. So let me cancel. Let me instead let's move the beams instead of the slab. But me, I usually prefer to offset the slab. So holding control, I will right click so that I'll not select others. I'll go to options, member eccentricity, create new member eccentricity. I'll move it up, cross section alignment up, and then from cross section, from surface down there. Okay. Okay. Now I'll go to I add a modulars. I'll go to others, RF laminate. Select these ones. I can edit material and properties. Let me first select surface. We have only one surface. Now you can add the material, the slab. So I'll type here slab. You can add material manually, but I will use the library, import layer from library. Using a different producer. Can use Zublin, Nordic, Structrum US, thickness, okay, type 5, right? Then okay. You can also edit material strength. This is not important. And calculate. Okay, laminate surface 1. List of surfaces. I have to select. I'm almost forgetting that, and calculate. Okay, material is failing, so I can just add it. Import from library. Sticker. Change the material. Calculate. Can just increase thickness to pass the slab. Now this one has passed. So we're going to use that material. Okay. Now I can go ahead and just click and save. Right. Now we can add new surface load, self weight. Okay. .001 KSI. Let's just add the roof. Roof 0. ZL. It's not negative. 0.001 KSI. Then I select my first point. Surface. I want to create surface load for. We have only one surface, so we can create this surface load in form of live load, right? So let me select the surface. Let me first now I need a value of 0.4177. Alright, then I can just pick the surface. Okay, and then I will go to tools. Let's generate our wind wind load. So I'll first need to go to load cases. I will add all wind load cases. Add a new one. Add a new one. Okay, and tools, generate load or generate wind load for vertical walls with roof according to ASCE. That is the American standard. That is the American standard. Then I can just here select 6, 7 and check these ones and check and check. Then I'll pick the node for base geometry from here, here, there, there. Then I'll pick it's a dual pitch roof, and I'll pick the nodes there, there, there. Again from there, there. Let me pick again. Start at this point, that point, that I'll go straight back, that point. So let me select all corner nodes of roof. This wind will not be generated because probably I'm not using the same node. So let me repeat the whole process from there. Let me rotate there, there. All right. I'm not picking the correct node from there. You can see there are two nodes there. Pick that one. That one there does not have any problem. Just move it so that we can see clearly which node to pick. So there is one node which is not matching. I don't know. Let me see. So I will have to delete all the hinges. There is one node which is not matching, and if the nodes do not match, then will not be generated. So let me first cancel. I will have to delete the end condition with all these members, and then all these members again. Focus on members at the corner. Because I'm picking the node for the hinge, and which I do not intend. I'm picking the wrong nodes. So if the nodes do not match, then wind load will not be generated. So if I double click, I'll go to options, none, none, and okay. Now let's do it again. Let's do it again. So I'll go to generate load, wind load. I think that's the only way because there are several nodes which are just very close to each other at different locations. So I just have to do this. Speak again. Again, I'll pick nodes. It's not a flat cancel. It's a dual pitched roof. This type of roof. All right. And again. From that point, that point, that point. Let me first pause for a minute, then I'll be back. Now we have been able to pick. Now if now we pick the correct way, this is how it's going to appear. Then just click OK. Okay, so you have to uncheck these ones. So here I can just select window 4, window 5, and then again I will uncheck these and uncheck all of these. Now you can see the wind load and according to ASCE and OK. New member load. Let's go to add modulars, tools. So I want to select from area load in member via plane. So this one via plane. In direction ZL. Alright. I'll take the corners. That is the this type of load should first change to I want to add the live and dead load. So I'll add self weight, that is snow, then tools, generate load from surface via plane. Right, first cancel. Let's say a value of 0.01. I'll pick the corner. Okay. Again, I'll do the same thing. Tools, generate load from surface or plane. That is, pick the corners. You can rotate by holding control and the scroll, pressing the scroll in your mouse. Simple as that. Then okay. The same manner, you can generate a live load. Now this time I'll pick live load roof. Then tools, generate load via plane. This time 0.21. Okay. Now I can exclude member parallel to, so that even this purlin will be having that load. Then okay. Okay. Now we can again check the errors in our model. Of course, there are errors because there are supports which are not this. We will not add nodes at this support, so I'll just add there. Yes, no problem. There and there and there. Again, I will need to hold control and offset these members. Add an eccentricity option. Remove down. After that, we can add bracing, new single member. I'll add new material. All right, so I will pick this one. Okay, remove this one. None. Okay, so I will add the bracings. Now, as simple as that, I've added the bracings. Just pick them and check and select this load. I want to select only my bracings. I will mirror, edit, mirror. I want to mirror. I will create a copy. Let me first cancel because I have not selected everything here. Select including that. Go to that plane. Then again now, this time I will mirror. And just pick this sign. Create a copy. Pick point. Yeah. Okay. Let me show you. I will divide this member. Divide member distance 5, that is 50%. Okay, I will now mirror about that point. Should be careful not to mess the model. I'm holding Control to select all bracing. Again, I will mirror, pick point, yeah, create a copy, okay. Edit, I can just move it, copy 0, no copy, pick point from here, there, okay. So just confirm that there are no errors in the model. So I think I'm doing the analysis, but analysis and design will be done in part 2 of this video. So this video was just modeling, how you can do modeling in global RFEM. So I just call it RFEM. It depends. So let's check if our model has got errors. I think we can still assign earthquake loads just and check the displacement diagrams. So there are so many load combinations. The analysis is taking too long. So we are not seeing any errors in the model. I will do design and analysis in the next part of this video. I mean, design of beams, connections, and the steel bracing. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.